Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Forensic Lady, bonus chapter, Alternative End. Chen Chunan and Linian, two of them still working on laboratory. Linian was calling Chunan. They really have a tacit understanding. She was talking about Sir Song and Hurst being together. Well, a proper explanation to her best friend Chunan. But Chunan said to her, been an old partner for so many years. It was Chen Chunan, a 30 years old childhood friend, until now. Two of them were working together. Chunan. She was explaining to her on her side. Nyan said to her, I said, I'm all engaged. What's your situation? Please gossip and work quickly. Chunan said to her. After long talking and work, two of them already finished. Director Ergia Song must have been waiting for you at the door of the unit for a long time. Chunan said to her, well, what a sweet girl. Right now, Officer Song, she was really waiting for them. After work, been going home together. Well, for Officer Song, she looks really cool. Suddenly, Linian, she was running too fast, greeted Officer Song. Waiting for you for a long time now. Officer Song said, don't run too fast and be careful not to fall down. Oh, what a sweet wife she is. Good thing it was a spring today. I brought a picnic tool. Let's go to the suburb and picnic together. Song Yuhang is asking them. But looking at it, Linian, she looked back on Chunan. Let's go together, Chunan. We've been working like crazy recently, so they need to calm down and relax. But Chunan, she refused them. Haven't been out together for a long time. No, the elderly at the home will leave their birthdays today. Parents urged me to go home for dinner. Oh, is she going to ignore them? Well, right now, Chunan, she must be really shy. That's why she make an alibi just to not go with them. You see, they come to pick me up. Chunan said to the two of them. But looking at this couple, they really look good. Perfect couple for the moment. But suddenly changed. Is Chunan really jealous of the two of them? Well, for me, it seems to. Chunan was calling Linian. He said to her, I'm leaving now. Well, it seems to be sad. And Dr. Lin really knows about it. Suddenly, Dr. Lin grabbed her hands. Chunan, where are you going? Oh, she was asking Chunan, where did you plan to go now? Maybe Linian really noticed that Chunan won't want to be bothered to them. Chunan said to her, Linian, thank you. But I am going home right now. Well, this is really getting crazy. Also, she really gets jealous, right? Linian said to her, then we see you again. Well, definitely. It really feels her saddened. But on that time, we'll do. Take a promise. As long as I remember. As long as you remember. I've been there. Chunan. This is good. A glimpse of the past, maybe, for future. But right now, it turns out Dr. Lin is having a nightmare again about her childhood friend Chunan. She keeps calling her name and said, don't go. Until now, she realized that everything is a dream. That's why her tears is really falling down. Of course, it was really hurtful for her what happened to her best friend, but right now, in the future, she really feels saddened. What's wrong? Officer Song said to her, you're dreaming of Chunan again? Well, she was really asking her, but suddenly, she was now really crying. Dr. Lin said, yes, but this time it was different. She already grew up, and it turns out. So, that was the end of her dream. And now, what could it be happen? She looks like this when she grows up. Also, I took her to see you, to know you, and to pay respect. But everything is always a dream. Sir Song, it is. Always listen to you about speaking of Chunan. In fact, I have a dream about her too. Song Yuhang said to Linian. This is really getting interesting right now. Dr. Lin, she is really curious about it. Really? Tell me quickly. Officer Song wanted to coax her and said, well, you lie down first. This girl, She was really tricky. Finally, she followed Officer Song. Promise me to sleep well. Officer Song said to her. Lin said, Turns out, Chunan also come to her dreams. Days has to come. Lin will fleece you. Oh, it turns out, Chunan, she come back as a good angel. Well, let's see. It's a little bit strange that you have a dream like that. Right now, Officer Song said, don't worry. I'll take good care of her. Oh, right now, it's like a promise. She will take care of Linian. Officer Song said to herself, until we reunited with you one day. It was pertaining to Chunan at this moment. Hey guys, thanks for supporting me. Thank you for joining membership. Next chapter will release Miss Ku and Miss Su. It will be posted next day. Thank you. Bye.